Friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the Android benchmark comparison between the Realme X7 versus the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. The Realme X7 has a Dimensity 800U processor and which is also 5G chipset which is present in the Realme X7, and in the Redmi Note 9 Pro which has a Snapdragon 750G which is also the 5G smartphone. So both phones, they are having the 5G model and they are going to launch in India very soon. And one thing is new to the Indian users is the Dimensity 800U processor and the Snapdragon 750G processor. So many users, plenty of questions about this processor, which is best, and so many people, they did ask me to compare both the processors, Snapdragon 750G versus the Dimensity 800U. And in this video, I'll be trying to show you the Android benchmarks results of this both processors, which will be giving you clear idea what's happening here and which phone has the advantage of the Android benchmark score results. And in case if you want to know more details about these smartphones, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me, and also to check the links in description for the playlist of other smartphones. You can find so many videos on each and every smartphone which will be helping you a lot in terms of deciding whether to buy the phone or not. And let me try to quickly open the Android benchmark test results. As you can see, friends, right now the Android benchmark score in the Dimensity 800U is about 3,41,000, and in the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G, which has Snapdragon 750G, which is the Android benchmark test close to 3,51,000. So even recently, the Motorola has been also launched the Snapdragon 750G processor in the Flipkart, so which is another good thing for the 20,000 range. We are getting 5G and the 750G. So which gives a very tough competition to the OnePlus Nord device and other smartphones. So right now the Motorola, they did mention the Android benchmark results will be close to 3,24,000. So in the Motorola websites, so they did mention, but I think right now they took it off. In the previous video when I showed, there was a number here, but they just now they removed, I think so. So overall the Android benchmark score in the Snapdragon 750G processor was close to 3,50,000, around starting from 3,30,000 to 3,50,000. So this is a difference. And if you compare these both phones side by side, I would say they both are kind of close to each other. So there is nothing much major difference is happening in terms of the processor. So both phones are having the same kind of 120Hz refresh rate, and one thing is that I think this Realme this Realme X7 has the 5000 mAh of battery, and this for Redmi Note 9 Pro has only, I think, 4800 mAh of battery. So this is the only difference which is compared between both the smartphones. But overall, in terms of the Antutu benchmark score test, both phones are kind of very close to each other in terms of the benchmarking results. So unless we get the hands-on with the everyday day life after using the phone, so then we'll get to know the actual Antutu benchmark score test results in those smartphones. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Bye.